Hello, my name is Jair Carlos Martinez Rodriguez, and this is the ordinary test from the British Culture Asset. My matricula is 1851086, and the teacher is Dina Elizabeth Cortez Cosa. So we're gonna start with the exposition. So we're gonna talk about the aspects in which English culture has influenced the development of humanity. So what I did is I choose some inventions, some recent inventions that I really thought that were really important or they're influencing on the British and the development of humanity. So the first one is the O-Wine. It's a turbine that allows you to generate electricity. So this is designed to produce electricity. It's a concept especially suitable for apartment buildings facing chaotic winds and urban environments. So this is spherical shaped turbine has vents with large inlets and smaller outlets that in presence of wind. So this creates a pressure that makes the turbine move and they're receptive that the wind regardless of direction. So it is precisely that rotation determined that feeds the generator that causes the energy to be produced. So in this case, I implemented this for the electricity, for some other types of electricity, and it's really important to implement this day or day on our daily life. So now we're gonna talk about sports, our routine or daily routine also. So in this case, specifically in football, soccer. So the name of this invention is Player, the technology to measure the performance of soccer players. It was released in 2019, and it's a system designed to measure the performance of top-level athletes. Said system is made up for a small device, a garment, and an application. In order to collect information, the user must insert the small device into the garment, and later they will be able to consult data and graphs on their productivity and performance through the player app itself. So like it's very self-explanatory. You have your chest, and then you put the device, and it's gonna start monitoring all or higher rate or all that type of information that makes us give a better performance. Okay, so another thing I wanted to do is look a little bit about pollution. So this is a tire collective. This is a device that removes pollution from tires. This is based in London. All these are based on England. So the Tire Collective is a project that has devised innovative technology capable of capturing pollution particles from tires right at the moment they are generated. So this is a device that is placed very close to the point where the rubs against the asphalt. So taking advantage of the surrounding airflow, this device absorbs the rubber particles and stores them into internal cartridge. It's just water vacuum cleaner. Yeah, so we can see here in the on the images how it's implemented and how much asphalt we save using this type of machines or this type of invention. So it's really cool and it's great for the environment. Another thing that I want to check, this is for transportation. It's called HACE, a navigation device for cyclists. So this was released in 2017. So what is this? This is a navigation device designed for modern cyclists. Imagine that's a sophisticated compass that instead of pointing north, so it will direct you to a final destination through an app that can be accessed via Bluetooth. So the objective of this invention is to guarantee you a safe journey by staying away from distractions such as just your smartphone. So this is a great alternative. For example, me myself, I am a person who usually use a lot of my bicycle to go out and to get some groceries or any type of exercise. So if I want to go to a specific destination, this is a very good implementation. Um, this is a very good invention that can work for a lot of people. So this is was also invented on Great Britain. So let's continue. So finally, the one that I really that was most splendid that for me it was the invention that surprised me the most. So it's Aura, the sophisticated computer without a monitor. It was released on the last year, on 2020. So it's a conceptual laptop that has been designed for those looking for a true laptop. What's its proposal? It's no screen. It's you and just your keyboard. So designers behind the innovative computer managed to eliminate the monitor thanks to the fact that the image can be projected from a keyboard to your retina. So this made possible to advance eye tracking technology that ensures that even you look away, the image will always follow you. So basically, it's no longer be necessary to have a monitor or have something that we have to look into. So the image go directly to our eyes. So that's it's still like a conceptual laptop. It's not completed yet, but if this can be released, so it will be a very good implementation for all the human community. So what is the analysis? Why did I consider these aspects essential? So in this case, I wanted to show the importance of innovation on aspects of daily life. So like I explained specifically on electricity and sports, media, transportation and pollution, some topics that we see every day on our daily life. So I chose these inventions since they are not very well known, but at the same way they are necessary in our day to day. So it's very important to unify men with machines and to be able to take advantage of this system as best as possible. These contributions to science and technology may not seem much compared to other inventions and discoveries, but they are things that any of us could use and would put into intelligent use for the development of humanity. Finally, what are my conclusions? Well, this research was created to identify some aspects that the British culture has influenced into humanity. For example, the closest discoveries and their usefulness had to be thoroughly investigated. So the strongest elements for me were the simplicity and the usefulness that we could use for a day to day. So the benefits of these aspects are invention that we advance as society and learn to evolve by taking advantage of human potential. So personally, this research helped me a lot to be able to identify and admire the inventions that are made by others side by side of the world, knowing that some of these aspects could be very useful for any type of consumer. To conclude, it can be said that the activity was satisfactory and gave a lot of information for future projects. Thank you so much, and I hope you really enjoyed it.